warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ilham Ramadan. You can call me Ilham.
Yes.
I'm one of PRAJA, the fourth grade of PRAJA IPDN.
Yes.
So here we got outbound, something like outbound, but it's so special.
So special.
Yeah, they there's a lot of games, and
Yes.
the game is have two kind of games.
Yes.
The first is all about English, and the second is all about the outbound games.
Do you enjoy it?
I'm very enjoyed.
Okay.
And the good thing is we explore the nature, so we
Nature.
plan to the nature
I
around.
see.
So yeah, we have to change our minds. We have to change our morality. We have it's influence to our morality, chances, our stamina, of course.
I see. Good.
Ah, it's a good. And we have good friends.
Good
Anyway,
friend.
yeah,
I see.
it's a really good activity here.
How about the atmosphere of English? Yeah. What do
Atmosphere
you
of
think?
English. Yeah, it's increased my English so well.
Yes.
There's a lot of vocabulary that I've learned today.
I see. Like what? Like what?
Like so, the games trigger us something like how to describe things,
I
something like how to
see.
describe
You have to
strongly.
explore your
Yeah, I
vocabulary.
have to explore.
Yes.
I learned from the instructor and from my friends too. Yeah, and I speak a lot of here. I speak a lot of English. It's good. I hope this program will develop and it can get advantage to us.
What's your expectation or your
Expectation.
idea of, to
Uh,
improve the atmosphere or your English,
yeah.
your
So we have to innovate the games, the English games
yes,
especially, and we have to invite the foreigner. I think the
different
foreigners from other countries to
native speaker.
yeah another speaker to improve our English.
Yeah, perhaps we need some an activity with native speaker.
Yeah, yeah. So we blend with local to the foreigners. So
I see.
we because we have different mindset, we have different
We have
language.
different mother tongue.
Yeah,
I mean bahasa asli.
yeah,
It is very important.
yeah. It's very
Okay,
important.
thanks for your time.
Yeah,
Please
no
continue
worries.
the activity. Inside.